Finally, my order is here. Late, but at least it's here. Wait a minute, this isn't what I ordered at all. Dear viewers, what does this messed up pizza delivery have to do with a transport control system? Well, maybe more than you think. I'm Benny, and I can promise you that with Oseon's transport control system, you can be sure the right ingredients always arrive on time in your production. To understand how that works, we should first clarify what the software does. Oseon is a solution for production and material flow control. It provides all the important information for sheet metal processing, both digitalizing and optimizing the entire workflow. As you can see, this involves a lot of different aspects. And what exactly that means for in-house transport, let's take a look at that now. With Oseon's transport control system, your internal transport runs like clockwork. Your material is always right where you need it, exactly when you need it. No delays, no unnecessary cost. That way you save time and of course money too. And here's how it works. Based on the production plan, Oseon automatically creates transport orders for raw materials, parts, or workpieces, which can be carried out either manually or automatically. These can be viewed in the web app. There, all the active and open transport orders are listed. Automatic transport orders require no intervention, whereas manual orders can be accepted and started by a logistics worker. When that happens, the colleague receives all the necessary information in the web app to carry out the transport order, such as pickup location, weight, and the workstation where the material needs to be delivered. This ensures that the required material is at the right place, at the right time, and in the right quantity. Machine downtime due to missing materials is a thing of the past. With Oseon's transport control system, your production runs like a perfect pizza order, delivered on time and being exactly what you wanted.